Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Source by Chinwe. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my soap making videos. So in these videos, I'm going to teach us how to make a simple soda soap with just 500 grams of oil. It's very simple. As you can see in the bowl, what I have there is already soaked caustic soda, which is a 250 ml. Now we are going to measure our oil. We are using 500 grams for this production, so you can see me measuring the oil. I used 250 ml. I used 250 ml. You put it 2 times because it's 250 plus 250 equals 500. Okay, or you can use any container that is 500 grams to measure it, or you can use any measuring tools that you have available to make sure that you measure the accurate 500 grams. Because one thing in soap making is your measurement. Once you have the correct measurement, you are good to go. You are sure of making a quality soap. So in this production, you can see the caustic soda. I added my color white. You can go to the chemical shop if you want to buy, tell them white color for soda soap making. You can see how white it is. If you want your soda soap to be extremely white, you add color. Okay, so soap making is not complicated. All you have to know is your measurements. That is all, you're good to go. Just know your measurements, you're good to go. So watch to the end, enjoy this video. If you have any question, if you have anything at all you want to ask, you can always drop your questions in the comment section, or you chat me up. You see my number on the screen. You can send me a message on WhatsApp, or you chat me up for any question at all. Or if you want a special or a private training, you can also contact me as well. I'm always here for you. So you can see me scooping the soap into my mold. I used disposable cups for this mold. Yes, soda soap. One good thing about soda soap is that you can use anything for it. You can use any tools available. You don't have any excuse. You always have disposable cups or these are takeaway plates. You can use anything at all as your mold. So the production, you are done. Scooping my soap into my mold, and this is going to sit for just some minutes, and it solidifies. That you can use this soap that same day. Yes, you can use it that same day. So this is what we have after the production. You can see my soap has solidified already and it's ready for use. You can mold. If you want to wash your plates, you can use it for laundry. You can use it to wash anything. It's super clean.